Today we have the new 992.2 Porsche 911 GT3. This one's finished in oak green metallic neo on the outside, carbon fiber bucket seats on the inside, and an MSRP of $271,000.
Starting first on the outside, the cost for the paint was $3,000, and I think this was a great idea for Porsche to do as a non-PTS color. Most of the exterior is finished in it as well, including the rear wing, as well as the mirrors. Black exterior details include the window trim, the badges in the rear, the exhaust tips, the front vents, and the inner parts of the headlights. GT3 on the front lip, the wheels are finished in silver, and the calipers for the Porsche carbon ceramic brakes are painted in yellow. On the inside, leather and Alcantara go all throughout, including Alcantara on the seats, the center console, the shift knob, the lower part of the dash, knee pad, full headliner, and on the doors. The seatbelts are in yellow, the Bose surround sound system, carbon fiber trim in the center, dash, and on the illuminated door sills. Porsche fire extinguisher, no back seats, and thankfully no start-stop button either like other .2s. A look at the newly designed carbon fiber bucket seats with removable headrest for your helmet. The center infotainment screen, digital instrument cluster, drive mode selector, and a POV look from the driver's seat.